Would
I
you
don't have
all like some backup?
Yeah, man. Get in here,
Yeah.
boy. Boy.
What you need?
Anything you want, baby.
Platforms. Platforms.
Nah, I'm in scout.
Okay.
You're
I
already
can
at
make it.
prestige level 24.
I didn't make it.
Oh my
Ah!
god.
I didn't make it. Leave it alone.
How do
I
I?
don't do anything every day.
Have you played any other
Heck
class?
not.
No. I mean, I have their armors and stuff.
Wow, there's so many of these loot bugs.
They're so cute. I feel bad every time I kill them.
Oh, I don't.
They make cute noises.
Ew.
Maybe
But
you
they
just stood next to
explode.
one?
Yes,
So cute.
that's disgusting.
What?
Ah, there's a cave leech.
Ew. There's another one. Somewhere.
Oh, there's one. Just so you know what they look like, there's one.
An oppressor found me.
It sounds like I'm about to get just fucking destroyed by something.
Maybe.
What? I just fell out of the sky.
You alive, sir?
No.
Oh, there's two of them.
Get off me, Molly. I just keep getting thrown everywhere.
They just love you.
There we go.
If I could throw you, I would. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not.
You know you would.
Well, I wouldn't do it like randomly.
Of course, with consent.
Okay, then yeah, that's fine.
Jellyfish and
Ah! What? That was a weird glitch.
Oh, that's Steve.
Every time.
It's not my fault he's disgusting.
Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. If you think someone else is ugly, it's because you're ugly on the inside.
I know for the fact that's not true.
Okay, I have to not stand next to Steve because everyone shoots him.
Where's
God
the...
damn it! Why is it there?
What? Did
Where?
it just go straight through?
Where?
This is dumb.
Oh wow, there really are.
Okay, I keep getting set on fire somehow.
Sorry. It's my primary.
I'm not blinking enough, my eyes hurt.
Ow.
Oh well, we're almost there.
Did you plug it? God damn it.
What is that sound? Ugh, it's disgusting.
Wait, AJ, what class are you playing?
Minor.
My
Okay.
driller.
Driller. You still
Finally.
not plugging the hole?
And I'm almost out of ammo again. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Calculating orbital trajectory. Powering radiation shielding. Ecom operational.
I hate these jellyfish things.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
they're
just
the
hate
worst.
movement slows.
Pod thrusters calibrated.
Ow.
Sorry.
Drum pods powered up and ready to leave. It's time to bring it all home. Get on board. We're leaving with a
Ow.
rescue.
You're just constantly setting me on fire.
It's because you're hot.
Just
Womp.
constantly being set on fire.
I know you can take a beating.
It's not like I'm sweaty enough.
It's okay.
Sweaty
You like it.
balls.
It's okay. You like it rough anyway.
I am sweaty.
It's like we're slapping me.
Yeah, you like it. You fucking like it.
I do, to be honest.
Just... Neat. What is my purpose? Use rural pathways.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Do we have enough?
Where'd it
Yeah,
go?
we have enough nitro.
I want the sugar.
Get that sugar.
I wonder where all of them
Are you gonna give it to me?
Maybe no.
Not even a little?
I mean, you've gotten sugar before.
It's not enough.
Once you get a taste.
It's not like I want a lot more, just a little. Like, I'm not trying to be, like, what's the word?
Willy Wonka?
Sure? Oh,
You
that's...
like, man, just always.
Sorry!
Why must you set ablaze either myself or the things I love?
Radiation at 75%. Almost there.
Because you're not giving me any sugar. I can't. I can't. I couldn't say that with a straight face.
There's so much going on in this room. There's just constant explosions, attacks. There's people gliding through the air. There's a big ass robot shooting rockets at stuff.
And look at all the rocks they're clipping.
Very nice. Hey, dude, you're the thickest one.
I wish.
You so thick, boy.
In my dreams. Man, if I was just like a little bit thicker, that'd be great. And had
Do a lot of
butt.
pull-ups. Guaranteed
Pull-ups?
thickness. Yep. Do a lot of
Alright.
pull-ups, it'll widen your back.
Okay.
It's one of the reasons why I have such a wide back, because I've done a lot of fixed lats. Fixed lat pull downs.
Oh, okay. That's when
Which-
you're sitting, right?
Yeah, and you pull the bars down. It's what you do when you're not strong enough to do pull-ups.
Oh, okay.
It's actually a really good workout, though. You have to look up a video. But yeah, that's it for me, guys.
Alright. What about you, Evan?
Yeah, I'm probably done.
Alright.
Peace out.
I got work tomorrow.
Alright. Night, guys.
Good night.